Thanks for choosing to try out Cetopo. First things first, if you haven't started your trial yet, head over to cetopo.com and click on Start a Trial. On the registration page, just fill in your name, email, phone number, and company name. Next, under Map Area, pick the region you want to explore. We've got a mix of urban, rural, and coastal areas for you to try out during your trial. Once you've filled everything in, hit the Submit button to get started. Once you've signed up, check your email for a message from info@cetopo.com. Inside, you'll find a link to access your trial. Just click that link, and you'll be all set to start exploring Cetopo and all the features available to you during your trial. When you start your trial, you'll land here in the project view. Here, you can pick from one of the predefined projects available. In the full version of Cetopo, you'll be able to select any area within your region and create your own projects that will then show up in this view. To dive in, just choose an existing project from the left-hand menu to switch to the map view and start exploring. If you'd like a quick overview of Cetopo, make sure to check out this introductory video to help you get started. In Map View, you'll see the selection tools on the left side of the screen. For downloading your selected area in different formats, check out the templates located at the bottom center of the map view. Cetopo gives you a wide variety of selection tools to help you customize and manage your areas and models just the way you need. You've got the basics like rectangle and polygon selections, plus advanced features such as expanding selections, cutting holes in your selections, subtracting precise areas from your selections, and picking multiple areas at once. You can even search for and select areas by address or property ID. Saving and sharing selections is always possible. For more details on all these tools, shortcuts, and what you can do with them, head over to our Resource Center. In the Template section, you can customize which features you want to include in each download and choose the format for your files. Under Image Templates, you can download 2D templates as either vector or raster files. Under CAD templates, you'll find native formats for popular CAD, BIM, and 3D modeling software like Revit, ArchiCAD, Rhino, and SketchUp, plus other formats like DXF and OBJ. We also offer templates for laser cutting. To preview our 2D templates, click the eye icon next to the template name. To download, click on the template name, and to adjust settings, click the cog icon. For CAD templates, preview in 3D by clicking the cube icon next to the template name. Download by clicking the name, and adjust settings with the cog icon. For more details on configuring, sharing, and managing templates, check out our Resource Center for in-depth tutorials and guides. After downloading a model from Cetopo, you can easily import it into your CAD or 3D modeling software by opening the file using your standard workflow. For Revit and ArchiCAD, Cetopo offers a dedicated plugin that simplifies the process of importing your files in native formats. This plugin also streamlines the setup of site and project locations, allowing you to configure new files accurately without needing to involve your BIM manager each time. Make sure to download the latest plugin for Revit or ArchiCAD from our Resource Center.